In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can read a WhatsApp message without the sender knowing. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, and I can help you out further down there. But first things first, obviously go ahead and open up WhatsApp and go into your settings. On an iPhone, you just have to hit the settings icon down in the bottom right. But on an Android, you have to tap the three dots up at the top right and then choose settings. Now from here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see a privacy option just like so. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you're going to see the option to, and you may have to scroll down a little bit, turn off read receipts. Go ahead and tick this off just like so to turn it off. And this is going to stop the sender from seeing blue check marks. Just keep in mind, you also won't be able to see when other people do read your messages. That's kind of the one downside for this. While you're here, though, I also recommend hiding your last seen and online status so people won't know when you're actually online. So go to this last seen and online setting up at the top. Go ahead and tick it to nobody, just like so, and change this other one to same as last seen. Now, when you go back to your chats, you can read a message and the sender's not going to know that you actually opened it up. That's it. It's super quick, super simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.